Everyone, welcome to Manjunatha Priya Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you all my charts and working models which I have used for a B.Ed practical exam. Okay, this chart is about a mean, median, mode, and range. Okay, this question might be asked in your Viva. Okay, practical exam. During practical exam they will ask in testal measurement record what is mean, median, mode, and range. How will you measure, how will you assess your children. Okay, this is a working model which I have explained during teacher competency. The first day of teacher competency I have explained this working model. I will make another video of what are all the models I have made, and its explanation also I will show you. So if you turn it like this, this is a coordinate geometry plane. This is coordinate geometry plane, and we have to mark the points. For example, 4 comma minus 8. So x coordinate is 4 and minus 8. So y coordinate is minus 8. 4 comma minus 8. I have to stick it over here. So this is the point 4 comma minus 8. X coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is minus 8. Like that, this is one activity you can do. I will explain you in the next class about this working model. Okay, how to use that one I will show you in the next video if you want. So that is about one thing. So this chart I told you, this is trigonometric table for 0 to 360. This is types of polynomial chart. If you want, I will show you. Okay, this is how it will be. Okay, this is a cubic polynomial, and these are my matching boards. For mensuration I have made area and perimeter of one matching board is for area and another matching board is for perimeter. So like this. For example, this one. So perimeter of parallelogram. Okay, you know what? See here. Perimeter means all the sides if we add will get perimeter, and the area means multiplication of the. I will show you. Wait, I have flashcards. These are some of the flashcards for coordinate geometry. These 3 flashcards have this. See, perimeter is the distance around the edge of the shape, and this one is a plus b whole square. Chart, this is just a chart. Okay, I have working model for this. I will show you. This is fractions chart, and this is parallelogram. Okay, I have prepared 2 lesson plans, one for coordinate geometry and another for area of parallelogram and area of rhombus. Okay, and I will show you. This is the circle geoboard. With this circle geoboard we can explain about the properties of circle and both properties of triangle also we can explain. I will explain in the another video. So I told you perimeter is the sides. Okay, also if you add all the sides together, the distance around the edge of the shape is a perimeter. And the area is the amount of the space inside the boundary. The amount of space inside the boundary of a 2D shape is the area. And for rhombus level 1 I have prepared area of rhombus. So I have prepared all this one. Rhombus definition, circle definition, and this is about the triangle. Okay, so these 2 are the matching boards. So area of triangle is, if you move like this, area of triangle is half BH. Okay, this is just I have made with a simple thing. You can, instead of this one, you can use beads. It will be even good, convenient while you use for children. This is just I don't have time, so I made this one. This is rotating board. This is your rotating board. Law of exponents. Okay, so AB whole power m is equal to A power m into B power m, right? So AB whole power m is equal AB whole to the power of m is equal to A power m into B power m. So you can see all the a power 0 is 1, A power m whole power n equal to A power m n. This is a circle board which I have just made with the help of this simple. Okay, actually this one is my ear thing. So I made with that. You can make even more good. Okay, this is about my this one. This is sum of angles of triangle model. This is also a model because it is also moving, right? Some people they may not consider as model because it has moving parts. See, sum of angles of triangle. Okay, if you cut this triangle, if you take the same triangle and if you cut this part, no, if you cut this part, so and if you arrange that part, no, you will get 180 degrees. You have to cut A, you have to cut B, you have to cut C angle, and if you place it on a line, it will come 180 degrees. Angle of a straighten is 180 degrees, no? So you can do like this also. The same triangle you have to take, and if you fold it like this and like this, what it is? All the angles, see how it is coming. So ABC 180 degrees. So that is about the angle, sum of the angles of a triangle. This is area of a formula derivation of area of triangle. Okay, so I will explain in the next class if you want in detail. So if you take, so in a rectangle, no, if this is a rectangle, if you consider any triangle, okay. So if you remove this extra part and if you place it over here, what will happen? Sorry, this is also, we can do it as a model, not an issue. Sorry. So if you keep it over here like this, and actually I have to use some more some nice double tape and all I have to use. I've just made with simple things. So see here, I've made something like this. So it is half of the area of rectangle, no? So this is rectangle, any triangle, okay, it is half the area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is B into L into B, right? Length into base. So half of the area of rectangle is half BH. So that is a formula derivation of triangle. I will show you this one. How, okay, geometrical proof for A plus B whole square. It will be very interesting. I will show it in the next class. Geometrical proof of A plus B whole square and A minus B the whole square. The two geometrical proof I will show you. Then area of parallelogram, no, it is also very simple. For example, if you remove this one, so this is your parallelogram, right? This is your parallelogram, right? See, this is your parallelogram. Okay. Okay, this square part, I'm square or rectangular part I'm leaving. I'm taking this part, okay, and I am placing it over here. What it has become? It has become a rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula? L into B, right? Base into height. So that is why base into height. That is the formula derivation of parallelogram. Very easy. And in the next video I will show you about in the next video I will show you about all the stuff like I will show about A plus B whole square geometrical proof, A minus B whole square geometrical proof and all I will show you in the next class. So this one is some of the angles of quadrilateral. Okay, the same quadrilateral I have cut. Okay, I have cut all the angles alone using a yes, a compass or something. You can cut, and if you place it, no, it will become like a circle. See, one angle I cut, second angle, third angle, fourth angle I have cut, and it have become a circle. So what in a circle, what is the angles of the angle in a circle? 360 degrees, right? So sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees, because if you cut the angles of the quadrilateral and if you know, it will become like a circle. It is coming like a circle. So from this we know that the area of some of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Children will remember, okay, if we do like this. The same way, area of rhombus. So I will just explain only the working of coordinate geometry. Okay, the distance between 2 points formula, this one, and a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square in the next class. Remaining on all I will explain today itself. See here, rhombus is also same thing only. The rhombus it looks like in a rectangle. See here, in a rectangle. So there is a rhombus, right? So this is rhombus. You draw, okay, it is in a rectangle, right? If you remove this all the four sides and if you place it over here like this, again it is coming like two rhombus. We can make two rhombus in this one rectangle, right? So we can make what? Two rhombus in this single rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Area means multiplication. See here, area means multiplication. So sorry, here it is. See, area means here. Yeah, here area means multiplication. Perimeter means addition of all the sides is addition. Area means multiplication. Okay, this is some of the keywords for all the four operators: addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. Okay, this is the chart for addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. This is Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, sum of the angle hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. This is also a geometrical proof. See here, 3, 4 and 5 is there. Hypotenuse square is equal to, see, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. 3 square 9, 4 square 16 and 5 square 25. If you add these two, you are getting the hypotenuse. It is also, we can move. Okay, that is why I consider this as a working model. But some people, they will not agree. Some according to your invigilator, that one. So this is about the Pythagoras theorem. This is the properties of quadrilateral. What are the various types of quadrilateral? Okay, different types of quadrilateral and its properties. Opposite sides of parallel. Okay, yes, one pair, yes, like that. Okay, this is coordinate plane, coordinate geometry, which I took, right? Which I took. I have teached coordinate geometry only for. I took level 2 lesson plan. Coordinate geometry only. This is the coordinate geometry one. Have made into two halves. This is one half. Okay, let me show you. This is one half and this is another half of this one. Okay, then after this, yes, I've showed you all the flashcards, right? Rotating boards and flashcards I've showed. This is triangle one. This is circle definition, triangle definition, or rhombus definition, and say what is area, the amount of space inside the circle geoboard. I have already showed you. What is the definition of parallelogram, and this is fraction. Just simply I made this one. This is just a simple chart for a plus b whole square. I will show a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and the working model of distance between 2 points in another video. This is perimeter, the distance around the edge of the shape. The distance between 2 points. So distance between 2 points is always positive. Okay. The coordinates of point. Okay, it represents how far it is along the each axis. How far along each axis the point is located. The coordinates of a point or a pair of numbers that defines its exact location on a two-dimensional plane. Okay. These are the various charts and models which I have made. Apart from this, before teaching I have showed this one. Okay, I didn't show, but this is a connective. Okay, what is a point, what is line? Okay, how will you represent if there is two? This is line segment. This one you call as line AB. If it is like this, only one arrow, this we'll call it as ray. If it is like this is line M. Plane. Okay, angles, how we'll represent that one. And coming to Another 2 charts I have made apart from this. This is a real number chart. See here, it will be very nice. I will show you. See. So inside natural numbers is there, then whole numbers, then comes your integers, then comes your rational numbers. See here, this is irrational number. Root 5, minus root 2, minus 31, root 31, minus root 6, or irrational numbers, rational numbers. So these are some of the rational numbers, integers. This is called as real. All of these put together, it is called as real numbers. I think I have showed everything. Only one is left. Only one thing is left. Divisibility rules. This we know already, right? Divisibility rules. Okay. If the last digit is even or 0, then it is divisible by 2. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, okay, sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. If the last 2 digits is divisible by 4, then it is divisible by 4, like that. 0, 5. What is the various divisibility rules? This also I have made. These are the various charts I have made. In the next video, I will show you the working model of the coordinate geometry, and a plus b the whole square and a minus b whole square. How the geometrical proof of all those also considered as a working model only. I will show you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.